Hello everyone, we had the same issue. The compressor terminal is blowout and refrigerant leak out. Today's episode we're gonna replace the compressor under warranty. Let's go. First of all, turn off the main breaker, make sure power is off. Remove the condenser fan motor and get the old compressor out. Old compressor need to be returned to the factory, so I need to grease the suction and liquid line terminal for any oil leaks. So we replace new compressor, new filter dryer, also new TXV thermostat expansion valve with new air filter. After we done, we do deep 500 micron vacuum and added factory recommend refrigerator with correct amount and test the superheat and subcool. Now system back to life.